You can drive faster, more comfortably and with peace of mind. The fast-paced electric city racer Nissan AURA NISMO has evolved even further. Sharp response and increased acceleration produced by second-generation e-power and NISMO engine control technology. The aerodynamic design and chassis were fully developed on the test track. The newly installed NISMO-tuned e-power 4WD not only improves NISMO-specific rear engine output and torque, but also freely controls traction through precise torque distribution control between front and rear motors. It enables safe control of the car by instantly responding to the driver's requests while accelerating during a turn. A driving pleasure you've never experienced before.
Nissan AURA NISMO.
We want you to experience the joy and excitement of driving. A design that inherits NISMO's DNA to enhance your individuality. A special part that infuses the entire body of the AURA NISMO with technology developed through numerous races and passionate driving spirit. Superior aerodynamic performance enhanced by the enhanced downforce provided by aero parts will make your sporty driving heart beat faster. Various carefully polished parts further emphasize his exciting personality and presence. Airflow. The downforce produced by controlling friction provides unparalleled handling and stability. NISMO's design results in finely honed functional beauty. It creates a feeling of enthusiasm in drivers with its unique presence. The emotion is immeasurable. Surprise cannot be reduced to a mathematical formula. To touch the soul, we must go beyond data. Subtle sensations that only humans can feel are confirmed by conversations between Nissan's top test drivers and engineers that go beyond words. Technology alone cannot create superior performance. For the first time, it is completed with human sensitivity, passion for driving and commitment to construction excellence. Machines polished with human sensitivity become perfect. Careful handcrafting and carefully selected parts ensure it performs as powerfully as it looks. Attention to detail brings the machine to life and makes it perfect. NISMO's performance can only come from humans. NISMO is Nissan's ultimate performance developed on the racing scene. Drivers and engineers who compete in the toughest conditions of motorsport and bring many machines to victory. The NISMO road car was born from this combination of experience and technology.